let's check out a nice new road bike. Now that the bike is assembled, let's quickly do a bike spec. Camp is an Indonesian brand and they make a nice wide variety of bikes, road bikes, hybrids and mountain bikes. So this is one of their road bikes which is present in India right now. Well guys, let's start with the look of the bike. This bike is designed for speed and the rear triangle, slightly offset welding, is going to ensure that your bike does not flex too much when you're putting down that power. The cabling on this bike is internally routed, so you have nice clean lines on this bike. This alloy frame bike comes with a carbon fork. The drivetrain on this bike is a full 105 group set. At the rear, you have a 11-speed cassette. And on the front, you have a Pro Wheel crank which is 54 to 34 teeth. The advantage of this crank is this is customizable. It's not a fixed crank, so you can upgrade it or make any changes that you want in future. Braking on this bike is provided by Tektro rim brakes. The 700x25C Maxxis tires are mounted on double wall alloy rims. This is mounted on a Novotec hub. One of the things which is very different on this bike is the seat mount. So over here, the seat locking mechanism is not on top like in normal bikes, but it is over here. So this holds the seat clamp nicely and ensures that this gives the bike a different look. This bike weighs in at about 11 kgs. With a price of 1,01,990 rupees. This is the Camp Impala. Well guys, now it's time for me to take this bike out for a ride. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, do share with your friends. And until next time, safe ride everyone.